Hi, in this video I want to discuss with you all the ports that are located on the back of your Element TV. So I will talk about what you can use them for and why they are there. So let's get started right away. We'll start on the bottom and we'll go up. So the first one over here is to connect an Ethernet cable. These cables are going directly into your internet router. In case you don't want to use the Wi-Fi, you can connect an Ethernet cable, an LAN cable, from your router to here, and the connection will be a lot more stable. Then we have 3 HDMI ports, and you're going to notice that on one of the HDMI port, it will say EARC. In my case, it's HDMI 2. This means that if you have a sound bar, a sound system like an amplifier, a home theater, stuff of this nature, connect it right over here. Your TV will be able to control that unit. For example, if you have a sound bar and you connect it here, every time you turn on your TV, the sound bar will turn on as well. Every time you take the remote control of your TV and you change the volume, it will also change the volume on your soundbar. Your TV will be able to control your device that is connected in the EARC port. If we go up, we have an antenna or cable input. So if you have, again, an antenna like this one that connects using an antenna cable like this one, screw it over here and you'll be able to watch local free channels. Then if we go up, we have mini AV in. This is for an adapter that connects over here and will give you the RCA connectors. It's great if you have, let's say, a vintage console like a Nintendo 64 and you need to connect it to this TV. But again, you need the adapter to make this work. You cannot connect the device directly in this port. Finally, we have the headphone jack. Pretty self-explanatory. If you want if you don't want to disturb anyone around you, connect your headphones over here and the sound will come out of your headphones and not the speakers of the TV. Then we have optical out to connect an optical cable. Most people will use an optical cable to connect a soundbar or a sound system. You can connect the soundbar in the HDMI, and this is what I recommend, but if you don't want to do this, well, the optical cable can also be used. And finally, we have a USB port that can be used for two different things. First of all, you can charge devices with it. If you have a Fire Stick, Roku stick, something of this nature, a Chromecast that connects in one of the HDMI ports, it will require power. So you can simply connect the USB power, the USB cable, from your Roku stick, let's say, to this USB port to give power to that device. Or you can connect a USB drive with your movies and your music, connect it here, and you'll be able to play whatever is on it on your TV. I have made a separate video showing you how this is done. But overall, this is it. These are all the ports located on the back of your Element TV, and now you know how to use them. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to leave a comment.